Hello, this is Mika Rahibat. Today I'm going to present my project on US unemployment analysis dashboard. As you can see from my dashboard, there are some KPIs, maps, charts, and filtering mechanisms based on categorical data. So let me explain it in detail. Here I created KPIs using cards like total unemployment, total labor force, average unemployed, total employed, unemployment percentage, annual unemployment change, average unemployment in Maryland state, average unemployment rate. So these are the KPIs for this dashboard, for this analysis. So I created new measures in this table. I created new measures using DAX that are used to find or calculate some of the KPIs like unemployment percentage, annual unemployment change, or the unemployment difference between two consecutive years, the average unemployment in Maryland state. All these were calculated from the measures uh, created using DAX. So from the left side, I have some filtering mechanisms since my dashboard is a dynamic dashboard. Once you select a specific information, a specific categorical data, it is changed dynamically. So for example, I can make male, female, I can make changes on based on sex, then everything will be shown accordingly. I can make filtering based on year. I can exclude or include some years, then the information will be changed accordingly. Here I can make filtering based on education level, less than high school, higher graduate. So everything will be shown accordingly. Then filtering by economic period from the given dataset. There are different economic periods or times that affect employment. So you can filter information based on these periods. So I have also another filtering mechanism on the top right, which is top 5 counties by average unemployment. These are the top 5 counties that have higher average unemployment. So if you select one of them or select all of them, everything, the dashboard information on the dashboard will be um, displayed or recalculated accordingly. So here I have a chart that is stacked bar chart that shows the total employed people for different time intervals. So in this chart, there is also another information which is shown by segmenting the graph into different parts. This is a categorical data, which is the marital status. So as we can see from the legend, this information shows the total unemployed people in this year, as well as the distribution of this data with respect to the categorical data like marital status. So um, this is a stacked bar chart. Then I can drill down to months or to quarters, or I can drill up months or years back. So drill down and drill up is possible here. Here I have a pie chart that shows the proportion of unemployment in different time intervals in different years. Here in 2020, there were many people unemployed. So this is a proportion. Here I have three maps that shows the proportion of employment based on English proficiency. So the number of people employed, the high number of people employed were native speakers, as you can see, while the rest were a bit lower. Here there is a comparison between employed and unemployed people in different times. So this is the total number of unemployed people, while this one is the total number of employed people. So this one shows the unemployment is just increasing or decreasing at some time, while the employment is almost constant. Here is a waterfall chart that shows the cumulative sum of the labor force through different times. So this one is the initial labor force. Then at the end, this is a cumulative sum in different years. So this is summing. These are the increments. Then at the end, this is the final um, labor force in 2024. So this is a waterfall chart that shows how the labor force is growing through different years, time intervals. Here I have a map that shows top 5 states with maximum employment. So then I can zoom out and I can see the states. So here is a legend that shows the region to which these states belong. This is my dashboard. This looks like my dashboard. Thanks very much.